Yo, what's up everybody? It's Dr. Batene, and we need to talk about the AI robot sitting in your living room. We're talking about artificial intelligence. Yeah, I know, you've heard it all before. AI this, AI that. But trust me, this isn't just another tech buzzword. This is the real deal. And it's happening right now. We're talking self-driving cars that navigate better than some humans I know. We're talking algorithms writing music that slaps harder than... Well, you get the idea? Point is, AI is already changing the game in ways we never thought possible. But here's the thing. This revolution isn't just about cool gadgets. It's about your job, your future, your life. Some jobs are literally about to become extinct, while others are about to blow up bigger than ever. So the big question is, are you ready for what's next? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the AI revolution. We'll explore the jobs that are about to disappear, the ones that are about to take over, and how you can level up your skills to thrive in this crazy new world. All right, let's get real for a second. Look around you. AI is everywhere. It's not just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's in your pocket, on your screen, probably even eavesdropping on your conversations right now. Just kidding. Or am I? Think about it. When was the last time you actually went to a store and interacted with a human cashier? Yeah, self-checkout kiosks are basically becoming the norm. And don't even get me started on Netflix. That AI knows my taste in documentaries better than I do. But here's the thing that most people don't realize. This AI takeover isn't just about convenience. It's about efficiency. Companies are using AI to automate tasks, boost productivity, and, let's be honest, cut costs. And that means some jobs, especially those repetitive, predictable ones, are going to be automated out of existence. We're talking about 85 million jobs potentially gone by 2025. That's a lot. But before you panic and start stocking up on canned goods for the AI apocalypse, there's a silver lining here, a big one. While those 85 million jobs are disappearing, a whopping 97 million new jobs are going to be created. This isn't some dystopian nightmare where robots steal all our jobs and leave us with nothing. It's an opportunity. The key takeaway here is adaptation. The jobs of the future are going to require a different set of skills. We're talking creativity, problem solving, critical thinking, the kind of stuff that robots, at least for now, can't replicate. So instead of fearing the AI revolution, we need to embrace it. Think of it as a massive system update for the global job market. This is your chance to learn new skills, explore new industries, and future-proof your career. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, learn, and evolve alongside technology. And trust me, the payoff is going to be huge. Okay, let's rip off the Band-Aid. I know you're curious, and maybe a little scared, about which jobs are on the AI chopping block. No sugarcoating here, just straight facts. First up, we've got data entry clerks. It's tedious, it's repetitive, and honestly, AI can do it way faster and with fewer errors. Next, we've got our friends in the retail world, cashiers. Like I said earlier, self-checkout kiosks are popping up everywhere. And with Amazon Go stores going cashierless, you know this trend is here to stay. Telemarketers? Yeah, you guys are on the list too. Sorry, but nobody likes those robotic sales calls anyway. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle customer service and sales calls 24/7, and they don't need coffee breaks or bathroom breaks. And let's not forget about factory workers. Automation has been coming for these jobs for a while now, and AI is only going to accelerate the process. Robots can work around the clock, they don't need vacations, and they definitely don't complain about working conditions. Now I know what you're thinking. MKBHD, you're killing me here. Is any job safe? Look, the reality is, if your job can be broken down into a set of instructions, a computer program can probably do it. But here's the good news. Humans are capable of so much more than just following instructions. We're creative, we're adaptable, and we can solve complex problems that would make a robot's circuits fry. So while some jobs might disappear, the AI revolution is also creating a whole new world of awesome, high-paying jobs that never even existed before. And that's what we're going to talk about next. Stay tuned. All right, enough with the doom and gloom. Let's talk about the good stuff. The jobs that are about to be more in demand than the latest iPhone. These are the careers that are going to shape the future. And trust me, they're pretty freaking cool. First up, we've got AI and machine learning engineers. They're building algorithms for self-driving cars, personalizing news feeds, and diagnosing diseases. If you love coding and innovation, this is your jam. Next, data scientists. They extract valuable insights from data, helping businesses make smarter decisions. They're like detectives, solving business puzzles. Cybersecurity specialists protect our data and privacy. They're the digital guardians against cyber threats. In the age of AI, their role is crucial. These jobs require creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. Skills that make you invaluable in the age of AI. All right, now you know which jobs are on the rise. Here's your personal blueprint for success in the age of AI. Learn tech skills like coding, data analytics, and AI fundamentals. It's like learning a new language. Use online resources, boot camps, and courses. Start with Python or Java. Embrace lifelong learning. Stay curious and updated. Soft skills matter too. Communication, collaboration, and creativity are key. Combine STEM with creativity for innovation. Follow trends and emerging technologies. Find your passion and dive deep. So, here's the bottom line. The AI revolution is here, and it's not going away. But instead of fearing it, we need to embrace it. The jobs of yesterday are fading, but the possibilities of tomorrow are brighter than ever. The question is, what role will you play in this future? Will you be a passive observer, or will you be an active participant in shaping the world of tomorrow? The choice is yours. Start today. Learn those tech skills, embrace lifelong learning, nurture those soft skills, and never stop exploring. And remember, when you combine technology with passion, there's literally nothing you can't achieve. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more insights on how to thrive in an AI-powered world. Let's build the future together.